Guys, doing a quick review on a string trimmer I've had for about a year now, which is the 525L. They also make an LK and an LST version of this string trimmer. It is 25 cc's, 25 something cc, I can't remember, but 1 and 2 horsepower motor, so it's going to be a little bit more powerful than your 122Ks or your 330Ls or LKs or your 130Ls and LKs, because it has a slightly bigger 1 horsepower motor, although those are 28 cc's and the 122L and LK is 22 cc's. This one's got more power because of the X torque pack that it's got in it. I did have the T25 head taken off and I put on a rotary 375 speed feed head, which is basically a Echo speed feed head 400 knockoff. I had this for about a year and the head too, and it works really well. I just haven't got around to doing a video with it yet, and I do like it. It does have that anti-vibration handle that kind of moves around a little bit. I guess that they say that helps with anti-vibration. It's got the kill switch right here. You know, choke, standard Husqvarna choke, and spark plugs underneath here. If you wanted to take the spark plug out, you got to take this little spot here off. And I've been using it for about a year now, and I really love it. It's mine. I just got done paying it off. I got it on store credit, and then I've been paying it off like 20 here, 20 there, you know what I mean, with my Husqvarna dealer. Some of the things about this string trimmer I like: it's really powerful, it hits really hard. It does come originally with a T35 head, but although it doesn't have a T35 head, I got that speed feed head on it, which is only rated up to 0.95, which the T35 head's rated up to 105. So, and I had the T35 head on it, so I switched it out. I just don't really care about putting bigger line on it, but you can put bigger line on this if you got the T35 head to cut down thicker stuff. But I do it with 0.95 line, and it's also rated for 0.80. So, and I cut down really thick stuff with this guy. We're going to do some testing with it. Some of the other things I don't like about it is the handle guard short. You may want to put an aftermarket carry handle on it, because this one is really too short, and you might want to get something that's a little bit longer, or one of those back saver Darwin grip type of handles for it. But it's very light too. It's about 11 pounds, so being very light, it's not as bad on your back, and it's long. It's a straight shaft, so it's kind of long, and it's good on your back. I don't really get too much back spasm, and I get my work done really quick with this. This thing is so powerful, guys, and I do like it. It's very smooth. It sucks at edging though, because you can't take this nut underneath it. It doesn't have a butterfly nut, so where you can unscrew it and flip the handle upside down and turn the machine upside down to edge. And plus that too, it cuts out when I try to do that. Even if I got a full tank of gas, it sucks at edging. But it's great for blowing through weeds like a hot knife through butter. And another thing I dislike about it, it still has that small 11-ounce gas tank. It's just horrible. I don't know why Husqvarna does that. Is like every one of these string trimmers they got has 11-ounce gas tanks. I think besides maybe the 130L and the 330 LK and L versions have the bigger gas tanks, but pound for pound, this one has more torque than the other 3 that I mentioned from Husqvarna, that they basically sell at Lowe's or your local Husqvarna, you know, Toro dealer, you know, down the road, you know what I'm saying? So I do highly recommend it. It's a really good option over the 122 and the 130L and I think the 330L and LK. I mean, they make a combi version of every freaking Husqvarna string trimmer. And it's enough jaw jacking, guys. We're gonna go out and test this out and show you guys what it's capable of. trying to get my hat. Okay guys, it's been the test of and a year in review on the 525L. They also make this in a combi version too. If you guys like this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. This has been your old pal Hondo. Hondo signing out.